Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I got question from many of you asking me how to promote Digistore24 affiliate offers for free. So today I'm going to show you how to do that. And this is one of the easiest ways of doing affiliate marketing because you don't need website, it is available worldwide, it is beginner friendly, and I'm going to show you step by step how to set up everything so you can drive free traffic to your Digistore24 affiliate offers and start making money. So with that being said, let me just jump in my computer and we are going to begin. Okay, first thing you need to do a research and you need to find right niche for you. After you find right niche, next thing you need to find products to promote. And for that you can use Digistore24, you can use ClickBank, you can use JVZoo, you can use Warrior Plus or some other affiliate network. But many of you said that ClickBank doesn't work in your country, so in today's video I'm actually going to use Digistore24. So let's say I'm in weight loss niche. So what I need to do, I need to click here on fitness and health. And what you need to do is you need to do a research, you need to research all of these products, and then based on that research, you will decide which of these products you actually wish to promote. So let's say I wish to promote this product here, Cinderella Solution. As you can see here, I can make 35 euros per sale. That is about 40 US dollars. And you can actually find exactly the same product Cinderella Solution on ClickBank as well, as you can see here. And like I said in my previous videos, you can find most of the ClickBank products on Digistore24 as well. So you can actually choose do you wish to promote that product on ClickBank or Digistore24. For this example, I wish to promote this product on Digistore24. And as you can see here, they actually have affiliate tools page, but we don't really need their affiliate tools page. So what we need to do next is we actually need to write a quality article. And to write that article, you can simply go on Fiverr and pay someone to write to that article. Or you can go on iWriter and pay someone to write to that article. I personally use iWriter. Or you can simply rewrite somebody else's article. In one of my previous videos, I showed you how you can rewrite articles in just 5 minutes totally free. So let's say I wish to rewrite article, so my product is in weight loss niche, so here in search bar I need to type something like ways to lose weight and click search. And here you can find lots of high quality articles that you can actually rewrite. So let's say I wish to rewrite this first one here. What I need to do, I need to actually click on it to visit this website and to check that article to see is that high quality article. And actually this is a Healthline website. So this is a high authority website. So let me just go through this article to check it out. Okay, so far this actually looks like a high quality article that I actually can rewrite. And like I said, you must rewrite these articles. You cannot copy and paste somebody else's articles. Like I said in one of my previous videos, I showed you how you can rewrite articles in just 5 minutes. But for the purpose of this video, I will just copy and paste this article. But like I said, I repeat again, you must rewrite these articles. You cannot copy and paste. I'm doing this just for the purpose of this video. So I will just copy the title of this article. Let me just highlight, Control C, and what you need to do, you need to go on Google Documents, and I will paste it here, and okay, we'll leave it as it is, and I need to go back on this article, and I will simply highlight this, and again, Control C to copy, go back here, Control V to paste, and I need to, okay, copy this, let me just copy this, okay, Control C, and I will go back here and Ctrl V to paste it. This is enough because I only wish to show you how this method works. So like I said, this is quite enough. So next thing I need to do, I need to add call to action to this article and I need to add my affiliate link. So I can say something like this. Achieve body of the dreams using Cinderella Solution. And I can actually highlight this and I can make it larger. So let's say 18 for example, and I will make it bold. And now I need to add my affiliate link. Now to do that, simply click here on this little chain and you can add your affiliate link. You can paste your Digistore24 affiliate link or ClickBank affiliate link here and then click here on apply and that's it. You will add your affiliate link. And you can also add this call to action. Let me just copy this. Also, you can add it, for example, here. So let me just click enter and I can paste it here, and you can also add your affiliate link here as well. Just click here on this little chain again and paste your affiliate link here and click apply, and that's it. Now after you finish everything, you need to download this article. Now this is really important. What you need to do, you need to click here on file, and you need to click here, go here on download, and you need to download this document as a PDF document. Now that is really important. So click here on PDF document, and that's it. I downloaded this document to my desktop. So now we actually need to upload this article somewhere in order to get some traffic. But let me first show you potential of the website that we are going to use. When we go on SimilarWeb, we will see that last month this website got 47 million views. And when we scroll here, we will see that more than 90% of their traffic is actually search traffic and direct traffic, which is the best kind of traffic. And when we go on Ahrefs authority checker, we will see that this website has authority of 91 and 100 is the maximum authority. So this website has a huge authority on Google, which is great. And that is the reason why 57% of their traffic is coming from Google, coming from search engines. And like I said, this is the best kind of traffic, which means you can actually rank your article on first page on Google. So this website has a huge potential for affiliate marketing. And website that we are going to use is called academia.edu, and people come to this website to publish their articles, their research and their ebooks. Now obviously first thing you need to do, you need to register. You can register with your Gmail account, with Facebook, or you can sign up with your email account. I always sign up with my email account, so just click here, sign up with email. You need to add your first name, you need to add your last name, you need to add your email, you need to add your password, click sign up, and you will need to choose, do you wish free plan or paid plan? Free plan is quite fine, so you should choose a free plan, and that's it. You will register on academia.edu. After you register, you will come to this page here. And here in search bar you can type your main keyword to see what people are actually publishing in your niche. So my main keyword is weight loss. So I will type weight loss and click search. And as you can see here, there is 4,632 articles containing weight loss in their title. And there is actually lots and lots of articles. You can actually sort the articles here by language. You can sort them by publication type, when they are published. So let's just open one of these articles. Let's say this one here, weight loss. I will open it in new tab just to check it out. And as you can see, people can actually download these articles and read them later, or they can simply read that article here. As you can see, it contains 2 papers and 23 people actually viewed this article so far. And let me just scroll to check it out. And as you can see, actually this is an affiliate link. This article contains affiliate link just here. So let me just scroll further, and let me just scroll, and again contains affiliate link here. So people are actually publishing articles that contain affiliate link on this website. So you can actually do exactly the same. So to do that, you can simply click here in upper right corner on add new. Click here. And then click here on this green button that says choose file and find the article that we downloaded from Google Documents. This is the article. And then click here on continue. And you wish to publish your work, you can unpublish draft paper or you can publish it. We actually wish to publish our article, so just click here on publish work. And as you can see, it automatically pulled the title from our article. And you can actually leave this as it is. Publication name, you can add your own name because you own the rights on this article, so I can just say Zoran IG. Year I can say 2021, but you don't actually need to add this, but it is always a good thing to add this data here. This you actually don't need. Author, I'm the author of this article. Now you need to add some tags. Tags are important for ranking on this website. Now they are already suggesting you some tags here, as you can see, or interests as they call them. Now to add tags, to find right tags, just click here and let's say weight loss. And give it a few seconds, and this is the tag. Okay, I can add more tags, let's say fitness for example. Give it a few seconds. Health and fitness, physical fitness, let's just say fitness, and so on and so on. You can add maximum of 20 tags as you can see here. And you can choose here section, it is a paper, you can choose draft, book reviews or whatever. I actually wrote a paper, so I will choose paper and click here on save and finish. Would you like to open your paper for discussion? No, because this is actually a promotional document. We are actually promoting affiliate products, so just click on no. Find out who reads and cites your paper. You don't actually need that. You can only have that if you upgrade, if you actually choose a paid plan. We don't need that. Just click here on no thanks. And that's it, I published my article on academia.edu. As you can see here, this is my article here. So let me just click on it to open it just to see how it looks. So this is how my article looks. Now, if you can add some images, that would be great. Always try to add some images. It will make your article more interesting and more eye-catchy. Now, you don't need to promote this article because academia will drive free traffic to this article, but I always suggest to promote your own articles, and you can promote them in related Facebook groups, on Pinterest, on Twitter, on Reddit, on related forums, and so on and so on. But from my experience, Quora works the best. So what you need to do, you need to come here in Quora, and here in search bar you need to type your main keyword. In this case it is a weight loss, and click search to find weight loss related questions on Quora. And try to answer on as many questions as you can. And weight loss questions are getting lots of traffic on Quora. So let me just open this first one here. What are the tips for weight loss? Just click here and open it in new tab. And as you can see here, more than 1600 people is following this question. There is more than 100 answers. And when I click here on more, you can see how many views this top answer actually got. So let me just scroll on the bottom of this answer to see how many views this answer actually got. So let me just scroll. Okay. 397 views. So let me just scroll back to see when this answer was actually published. And it was published on May 15. So, like I said, you can drive free traffic from Quora to your academia article. And especially this is good because Quora doesn't allow affiliate links. But you can drive traffic from Quora to academia article that contains your affiliate link. And in that way you will get even more free traffic to your article, and not just that, but you will actually build some backlinks in that way to this academia article, and that will help this article to rank on first page on Google. And at that moment, this will actually become a passive income. That is how powerful this method is. You will be actually making money in next few months, maybe even a few years, just by publishing this one article on academia.edu. So this is how you do affiliate marketing without website, by driving free traffic and actually making passive income. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.